straw, save a turtle. Here's a turtle with a straw in its nose. Humans have polluted about 8 million tons of plastic in our ocean. That's about a truckload of plastic being polluted every minute. Researchers have estimated that over half of all the sea turtles in the world have ingested plastic, and a single piece of plastic has a 20% chance of killing them. But let me explain to you why sea turtles are so important to our environment. Sea turtles transport nutrients from the sand to our ocean. Sea turtles are also important to the ecosystem because they maintain seagrass, coral, and more. Having sea turtles take care of our oceans makes sure that our seas can produce oxygen, which helps us breathe. Project Abroad has stated that female turtles dig holes into the sand in order to lay their eggs, but due to all the pollution, they can't. Here's a sea turtle with all the plastic. So they just give up on having their babies or lay their eggs into the plastic. When the babies are born, most of them end up tangled into the plastic, so they end up being hurt or dead. Due to them being so young and not understanding what's going on, they can't make it to the oceans and end up either eating the plastic or dying. Due to them being so young and not understanding what understands, they can't make it to our ocean, so they end up very hurt. Have you ever seen Nemo? They talk about how older turtles are wiser ones. Well, not always are the adult turtles so wise. Turtles have a diet of eating jellyfish and seagrass and tiny little fish. NOAA Fisheries stated that sometimes they get plastic bags confused with jellyfish and end up eating the bag. Here is a plastic bag on the left and a jellyfish on the right. See how they look really similar is why sometimes the turtles end up eating it. More than millions of sea turtles eat plastic every day. Many places now have turned to using less plastic and more recycling. Turtles have now become endangered. Sea turtles populations around the world have dwindled. In recent centuries and in many places, countries have continued to decline on the rate of sea turtles. For some populations, there is a risk of not only extinction, but physical extinction too. So now it seems like if we don't fix the plastic issue, people might not remember the turtles. Here's a chart of all the plastic that's put in here. Here's the colors, and then there is labels right here of all the different kind of plastic stuff that's in there. Here is also a chart of all the species and how all the turtles are now endangered. Okay, so plastic has played such a big part in our ocean. Let's hope this isn't just another story being told to our future generations.